Hello, guys. So it is another Common Sense with Freddie. My name is CoachWilfredAsuquo. I am a capacity builder. I am also a certified John Maxwell coach, a public speaker, an IT certification trainer, an IT consultant, and above all, I am the founder of a virtual coaching platform, Zed Worldwide. And if I just joined this channel for the very first time, please smash on the subscribe button and join this channel. And just in case you want to maximize any of our trainings, our sessions, please check the link below this video and maximize our resources. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about a fixed mindset and a growth mindset. It is very important, and I want to lay down a certain context. Now, a lot of us as young people, we grew up with a certain narrative based off our environment and also what your parents or your guardians actually taught you. Just like my parents, they taught me several stuff. They told me about several things. As a matter of fact, they introduced me to several systems like religion, education, politics, business, several systems across the living space called the earth. Now, those things that they introduced me to, those are the things I grew up with. Those are what made up my mindset. Now, as I became an adult, I began to establish research on each one of them because I needed to know and to validate exactly what they told me, if they made sense or not. Now, just in case I did not make such strides to be able to establish or find out what they told me about religion, what they told me about education, what they told me about business, what they told me about politics, then I will be living off a certain narrative that will not be useful in today's world. So if you are living in a state or in the narrative of 1970 in 2024, you are living in a fixed mindset. If you are living off what you used to do in the 80s, in 2024, I'm sorry to tell you, your mind is stuck. You are having a fixed mindset. A growth mindset is that mindset that is yearning to research and find out what is valuable in today's world and society. Is that mindset that is seeking to understand what can be done differently to optimize or maximize opportunities that will allow you to grow. A growth mindset is a mindset that will allow you to think outside the box, network with people that are growth-driven mindset who will help you to grow. If I had lived off what my parents told me in the village, I probably wouldn't be here speaking to you. And that's what I'm challenging you today. There is what you call a fixed mindset and a growth mindset. You need to choose one. Do you want to live off what you knew in the 19th century? Or you want to live off what you are being taught or what is trending in 21st century? Don't get me wrong. There are certain things in the 21st century that's just not making sense. You don't have to adopt all of them. But those things that are growth-driven, that will help you to adapt, and I give you one unique one. If you were living off analog career-driven system, if your career is not digital, I'm sorry, you are going to be struggling to adapt. If you are not adapting to the digital world and digital system, you are just going to be struggling. I see a lot of young people as a coach. They are out there who just secured a job And the next thing they do, possibly they are earning, call it $1,000 equivalent. And the next thing they do, they are going to invest in a high risk business or investment like Forex, like cryptocurrency. I wouldn't make such a decision because that's a fixed mindset. What you should be thinking of should be more of capacity building to increase your capacity to be relevant and also to be able to be qualified for more earnings, to give you more financial power, to be able to invest a significant amount in a significant business. And guess what? A lower risk-driven businesses. I see a lot of young people, when after they secure their first job, the first thing they are thinking is going to marry. Why should that be your first choice? Why? Because that is what we were trained, or that's what we were told back home in Africa growing up. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for you to change the narrative. You need to focus more on capacity building, empower yourself, increase your mental strength, increase your mind and your wealth of knowledge in your mind so you can better withstand the hustle, the challenges, the stress, the fun that comes with marriage. And above all, you would have increased your financial strength before you walk into it. I can go on and mention several things that we do that leaves us in a fixed mindset. And all I can tell you today as a coach is that a growth mindset is that mindset that goes for knowledge acquisition, that seek for capacity building, increase your network, build relationship. Why? Because no man is monopoly of knowledge, and a tree cannot form a forest. As ever, see you all at the top because the bottom is crowded.